my name is Tanya. Today we are going to do the second part of Markov's exercise number 6. Before I started to play this exercise, I found the lowest note and the highest note. Try it again. The next one. The next one. Let's try again. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.